We present a digital microfluidics educational kit based on a commercially sourced printed circuit board that allows the user to get hands-on experience with digital microfluidics. This is a viable, low-cost solution for education, provided that digital PCB design files can be shared. We propose to use digital microfluidics as an educational tool because droplets are manipulated on generic electrode array platforms. Users can leverage on an extended set of electronic components, now highly accessible for do-it-yourself applications, to electronically interface with the droplets. Demonstrating the procedure will be Yu-Hao, a graduate student from the Yang Laboratory. Begin by soldering the surface mount resistors, transistors, and light-emitting diodes onto the PCB board. Connect the output of the high-voltage power supply board to the PCB board with the soldered components. Then connect the battery to the voltage booster board to boost the voltage from 6 volts to 12 volts. Connect the humidity sensor, the ultrasonic piezo atomizer, and the atomizer driver board to the microcontroller board. Turn on the microcontroller using the provided supplementary code. Adjust the variable resistor of the high voltage board and use the digital multimeter to measure the voltage of the EWOD electrode. Wear clean nitrile gloves and apply 10 microliters of 5 centistokes silicone oil on the electrode area using a micropipette. Spread the oil